Hey guys, Happy New Year, and today I'm unboxing my new gifts. So what am I supposed to do with these? Let me go check. So this is my largest unboxing ever. And plus, guess what? I have some interesting questions for my comments. What's my home address? See guys, that's really interesting. Wait, what the Okay, so guys, we must focus on this now. Now, bro, my dad ordered these, and they're from Shopee. As usual, as usual, Shopee. Oh my god, but I just cut through the box, man. How did I just cut through the box? And this is the first model. Guess the aircraft. Oh! Yes.
Wow, how many? That one?
So guys, I'm unboxing 7 aircrafts, and then wait, okay, I just can you guess the okay wait. Okay, viewers, can you guess the airline? 3, 2, 1, and it's Emirates. It's the Emirates A3. It's the first.
This one, okay?
Right here first, I put here first. And then we have another box also. What the Sigma? What the Sigma?
7.
Yeah. What the Sigma? The Sigma? The Sigma? The Sigma. Ooh, this is quite interesting. And I am going to unbox that thingy. And that airline is a stand. Got you fooled. Lol, why did you all believe that though? And then I'm gonna take out the airline. Wow. Why do they place it in so many plastics though? And guys, let's clap for Qantas Flight 32. Welcome to Qantas, the spirit of Australia. So, I can't even get this out, guys. Whatever, I'll just use scissors. Oh, that's harsh. Really harsh. Okay, so it's another one. The box is different. See any difference, guys? If you don't see any difference, you're blind, bro. And the next question, what is your what country? Wait, guys. Why my location changed? I'm in Singapore right now. I took my flight yesterday. I just took my flight yesterday. And it was Jetstar Flight 761. This is an interesting one. Buddy, yeah. Buddy, yeah. Buddy, yeah. I'm doing this on my bed right now. On my own bed. Do I still sleep with my parents? Yeah, I only have one room. I just have my homies. My homies house are sleeping. My homies room is there. FBI open up. YOLO. Hear that, guys? That's the sound of silence. If you have no scissors, just cut it by their tail or their wings.
Pwede dito pag-swimming lesson ito naman. Bulan mo aming nagdayan. That's it. Ulit.
I also break everything. They'll break their box out. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, no, what the hell? What the hell? Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. It had broke while shipping? Did it had broke while shipping? What the hell? I think it had broke while shipping. Oh my god. It had broke while shipping. POV on average at the had flight. Take flight. Oh my god, bro. It's my first plane that lots of swing. Last box. I mean JK, this is our last box. This is another good airline again. Oh, good airline skin. I just opened it. Hope you did not see it. Oh my god, bro. Get this out of here right now, man. I can't even get this out. I can't even get that out of here. Yeah, I accidentally got my airplane stuck again. Oh no, my airplane broke its wing. It broke its wing. It broke its wing. Qatar Airways. Now what even? Now. Okay, so 4, 6. Shit, this can't be. Oh, where's my scissors under? Guys, I have this thing. Can you guess what airplane is it? Hint, it's a crash. Hint, an airplane crash. This airplane actually crashed. Killing 271 people. The stand is different. The stand looks different today. The stand looks different today. This stand looks like Singapore Airlines, this one. My parents bought this for $16 on Shopee. I know this stand was $16 on Shopee. $16.81 SGD. Not USD, sorry American. Oh sure, you guys just said it. Oh shoot. It's that big. Oh my god, bro, it's so long. That's not even. my god. Oh my god. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Time to add landing gears. They didn't put landing gears in my other airplanes. Yeah, I'm crying now. I'm crying. No worries. The landing gear only cost $3. 3 SGD. Hint, I don't even know how to add landing gears. And this is American 191. Time to recreate American 191. Epiorotse takes off, engine falls off, bank angle. Wow, this is so big. Oh, I can't believe it's so big. A big thing for $16. This is not my most. This is my second most expensive plane. This is my second most expensive plane. Guess what, guys? This is my second most expensive plane because Singapore Airlines is my first most expensive plane. It costs $30. And it only costs 16. Butter landing. Come on. Okay, so next thing. Ouch, I'm stuck. Edge of my bed. Last thing. And this is my largest unboxing ever. My last thing. My last box of the day. I don't know which is this one. I don't know about ya. But this is glue. Let's see. Happy song. Are you sure about that? I don't think I can even open this. Meow, 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 meow. Happy song. Oh. Meow, 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 meow. Let me cry. What? Why is this box so huge? What even is this box? It's this large. The world's major airlines. It's a cockpit. I really want to be a pilot when I grow up, guys. Since I already have Ryanair, now I have, and I'm not telling you guys. Oh my god, so good. Nothing like a feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just see me at the. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight So it's just meet me at the good at that thing. It's the same stand as American. And they even have landing gears. It's the same thing. God, it's the same thing. Landing gears. Hint, it's an A320. And our last airplane. Okay, so right, I'm not going to show you guys the airplane just yet. We need to assemble it. I'm eating right now. I'm eating it right now. And answer the last airplane for today. Oh my god. Landing gears broke. Last but not least, the last airplane for today is... Drum roll, please. Treat. My banana. It's a banana plane. Banana. Oh my god, I heard you are going... Spirit, I heard you're going for bankruptcy, but... My banana's staying with me. This is honestly larger than other aircrafts. Honestly, bro. All of these now. So, guys, so far, these are my aircrafts now. I have a lot now. I have a lot right now. So, if for those watching, so guys, I just uploaded this today. And guys, Happy New Year!